Yes, good morning, children. Welcome back to your online classes. Last class, I did lesson number 1, large numbers, and I completed exercise 1. Yes, no, children? And exercise 2, page number 90, 91, and 92, I have given as homework. I think you all have completed. Those who did not complete, you should complete. When we say to bring, when we give classwork, we'll say you to bring textbook also. So I'll check whether you have written or not. Exercise 2, I have given as homework. 56,110, 111, 112. So I told counting in twos, fives, tens, hundreds, thousands. So I have given as homework. And now we'll start abacus. 5-digit numbers on abacus. To represent a 5-digit number, we need 5 spikes of abacus. The 5th spike stands for 10,000. The number represented on the abacus is, so we'll count, I'll give. In words, it is 32,400 and 423. So now I'll start. I won't give, only two sums I'll give, children. Other and all you should only write. Abacus is very easy. So look at the abacus, 5 spikes. See, 1 spike, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, this is in, I taught you 4-digit number means 1000. 5th digit means I told 10,000. See, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. 5th spike is 10,000. This is thousands here. T, if you write, it will be different. See, T means tens, TH means thousand. TH means 10,000. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000 place. So you write here 2, 6. Here no number 0. This is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ones, tens, hundreds. So when 4-digit number, see 4-digit number means 2062. Here 10,000. So this also 1000, this also 1000. So 10,000 means we'll write like this, no? 10,000, 10,000. So this is 52,000. Join and read. 52,062. Like that, all 5 sums you should complete. I won't give that. It is very easy, children. Okay, so write the abacus. Look at the abacus and write the number. So look at the abacus. This is abacus and write the answer. Okay. I have written 1 sum. So other 5 you should only count the beads and you should write the answers. Next is write the numbers or the number names. So first one, here see number names, it is there, no, children? See, first one, A. Here dash, it is there. Here 10657. So what you should do? This is numbers. This is number names. So if they have given number, you should write number names. So there ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So in 10,000 plus 10 only it is there. So I'll write 10,000, 10,000, 600 and 57. You should write like that only. If here 2 it is there means 2020, 20,000. Like that. Here 10 only it is there, so I have written 10,000. Your last time 1,000, 2,000 you are writing. Now 10 it is there, so I have written 10,657. Second one is 12,000. Answer 12,467. Write the answer this. Next is C. C1 is 16,000. See here, 16. 16,902. 207. 16,200. There only one number, so 207. Where dash is there? Second one, that's a number dash. Third one is number names dash. D1, 23,000, comma, 902. E1, 54,000. 54,000. 617. And I did not write 617. Last one, 84,000. See here, F1, 84,000 and 700. 84,700. Last one, you should only write the number names. 15,857. Read that 15,000, right? 15,857. Right? Last one, you should only write children. Shall I wrap? Page number 94. That 3 also you should only write. See, H1, they are given numbers. 63,101. Write the spelling. 63,101. Next is number 70,000. 70, comma 70,201. Last one is 67. 67,000, comma 402. Okay. So now compare using the symbols. Compare using the symbols. So greater sign, lesser or equal. So this is equal or lesser, greater, you should see. 12,000, 12,000 same. Here and 6, here 606. So we should see next number. Here 12 is same. So I saw next number. Here 0 is there. 600 is there. 100 plus 600. Here 0. So this is greater. Second one is this side. 42,634. 42,436. Here 64 is greater. 83,172. 83,172. Next is 60,125. 60,125. So this is greater 125. 91,000. Here 90,000. So I written the symbols. I won't write the questions. Okay. You should only see first number. Same means go for next number. Go for third number. Like that you should see and you should write that. Next is write in expanded form. One example, it is there. So I'll go for second number, 63,208. You should read, you may think, oh, 63, SI, XTY, 63, TH or no. Write in expanded form. What you should write? 63,000. So what you should write? 3,000. So 60,000. This is 10,000. See, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So 60. Yes. So here, if 3 is not there, means this is 63. 63. 60. So I written 60,000. 63,000 means plus 3,000. Next, what number is there? That means 0. See, 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4. So I written 4 zeros. But you should see comma. Next is 200 and 8. So here in tens place I written 0. So you should expand like this. 60. When you pronounce 63,000, 63,000 means 60,000, 3,000, because thousands place 3,000. This is 60. 10,000 place. So 10,000 means we'll write like this. So if I take 1 means it will become 60. See, 60,000. This is 3,208. Like that only. Next and all, you should only write, children. Okay. So I have given only one example. Next is what shall I take here? 60,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 1. This is fifth main. This is fourth main. This is fourth main. I have given only one sum. Other and all you should only write. This is fifth main. One sum I'll teach. Other and all you should write. See here. 60,000. 60,000. Next year, 3,000 it is there, no? Here 63,000. Here 60,000 only it is there. So in thousands place, nothing. So I have written 60,000. 231. 231. See, 231. So 5-digit number, 10,000, 60,000. Here 60,000, 63,000. So I have written 60,000, 3,200 like that. Here 60,000 it is there. In thousands place, nothing it is there. So what I do? 60,000 only I have written 231. So next sum, this also you should only do. Other 5 sums you should do, children. Next is write the place value of the underlined words. Page number 95. Page number 95. Write the place value of the underlined words. I'll teach 2 here because in tens place this is here 92,175 70. So this is in tens place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So tens place 70. This is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. 10,000. 10,000 is 6 means 60,000. 60,000. You should write like this. 6 is in 10,000. 10 means here 6 is there. 60,000 because here 3 is there. So 60,000. Second one, 40,859. In 0 place, write 0 only. Fourth one, 82,160. 10 plus 6, write 60. Here, last one, 45,890. 5 is in thousands place. So write 5,000. Okay, children, complete all. You should only complete because it is all very easy. Still, you are all not small children. You are all grown up, 4th standard. Okay. Next, write the numbers in ascending order. You know ascending order, small to big. Here, example, it is there. Last class, it was exercise 1, it is not there. See, small to big. Descending means big to small. Okay. So, first one. Only first one I'll write. Okay, children? Hyphen. See, here all comma is there after 1,000. So I kept dot and comma. See here, 11,000, 11,000, 11,000, 11,000. This is ascending order, small to big. Next is 8, 2, 9, 8. So small to big. In this, which is small? 2. 2 is small. 11,294. So you have completed this. Next is 8, 9, 8. So here 9 is big. So 8 is small. 8, 8 same number. So next I'll go for 5. Here 9. So I'll write 5 is small. 11,852. Completed this. So in this two, 8 is small. 11,894. So completed this. Last one, 11,985. Now you only check 294 small. 852 next. 894. This is 52. This is 94. So you should go for next number. You should check. And you should write small to big. If I give this only, write ascending and descending means. So this is ascending order. This is ascending order, small to big. Descending order means last one, 11,985. Big to small. We'll come back like this. 11,894. 11,852. 11,294. I written this is small to big, big to small. If I give like this, you should write in one only, in this only ascending order first. Ascending order if you arrange, no, descending order from there you can copy. Okay, children? So no need to teach this. Yes, no. Ascending order, small to big. Descending order, big to small. You see, first one, 11,000, 11,000, 11,000. 852. So this is also same. Oh, yeah. Same only children, ascending and descending. Same number they have given. So I taught you, no. Ascending order, if one number they give me, small to big. After that, from last to small, from big to small, you should copy that number because here same it is there. So write like this, okay. Now page number 96. Just I'll read out. Now I taught you 5-digit number, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 5-digit number. 1-digit number means least 0, 1-digit greatest number means 9, 10, 99, like that. Here, see the greatest 5-digit number is, I taught you, greatest 5-digit number. Yes, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we add plus 1, how much it will come? See here, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Plus 1, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, comma. So, ones, tens, 100, 10,000, 1,000, 10,000. This one more means this is lakh. Lakh, one number means lakh. Here comes 10 lakh. This is lakh. This is 10 lakh. So, 6-digit number means lakh. 7-digit means 10 lakh. When we add greatest 5-digit number to the least 6-digit number, it will become 1 lakh. See, it is there in words, it is 1 lakh. In short, it is written as L. For lakh, L. 10 lakh means TL. So, 1 lakh is a bigger number. We must put comma after lakhs place and comma after thousands place. So, the greater number. So, see, in the words, it is there. Just I'll read and go. 1 lakh, 1. 1,28,384. 28,000. This is 1 lakh. So next 7,89,905. In words, how it is? 9,99,999. If we add 1 to the 6-digit number, it will become 10 lakh. So it will become 7 numbers. See, we get the smallest 7-digit number, which we read as 10 lakh. In short form, we will say TL. As numbers grew bigger and bigger, the need for dividing them into groups was felt, so that it was easier to read the number names. The groups into which the digits are separated are called periods. See, it is there, no? I'll just write the number. I won't write the chart. Chart, just you see this board periods. The first 3-digit number of number names from the right of the ones period. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds. So this we call as ones. So fully 100. So here we'll put comma. Okay, just I'll say this is 1,000. This is 10,000. This is thousands place. Okay, this is thousands. Yes, we'll add. So this is lakh, 10 lakh. This is lakhs place. Lakhs. This is lakhs. This is thousands because two numbers it is there. See, 42 lakh 89,756. So chart it is there. See, 4 is in lakhs place. This is in 10 lakhs place, 10,000 place, 1,000 place, hundreds, tens and ones. So the chart it is there. See, like that from the right side we should come up to left side. You should count ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. How you should put commas here? This is periods. I have given the numbers here. Ones, tens, hundreds. Hundreds after comma. These are all ones place. 1,000. Next is 1,000, 10,000. So this is 2 also thousands place. So here comma. This is lakh, 10 lakh. So here comma. See 42 lakh, 89,000. From here you should come. Where you should put comma, you will come. Simply here comma, here comma, here comma. No. Ones, tens, hundreds, hundreds after comma. 1,000. If only one, this side number is not there means 1,000. So 9,000. The two number is there, 1,000, 10,000. So this two here comma. Lakh, 10 lakh. So you understood no the chart. On after the thousands period, the 2-digit form the lakhs period. Okay, so example. Now write the number names for the following numbers. Page number 97. See, they are given numbers and number names. 23 lakh 85,609 words they have written. This also 90 lakh and 1. Last in the middle 1,000 place, 100 place, nothing, number 0. So and 1. 67 lakh and 231. So as usual you know words how to write. This 6 lakh 23,000 like that means see 6 lakh comma only one number lakh is there not 10 lakh. 6 lakh 23,406. 406. So see 6 lakh 23,000 means together thousands and 406. So complete all this. Yeah, no, because this is example sum. Place and place value. The number gets its value according to the place it is in. Which place? See, now this is in which place? Thousands place. This is in 10,000 place. This is in lakhs place. So if I write lakh, no. See 6, how many zeros? 6 lakhs here. Here 6 lakh means I have written 6. Expanded form. 6 is in lakhs place means these zeros. How many numbers is there? No, that much zero you should write. See 6 lakh. This is thousands. 2 number. 1,000, 10,000, 1,000. And 100, tens, ones. So like this you should expand and write. So here 4 is in lakhs place. So numbers here. 4 is in 10 lakh place. 10 lakh. 10 lakh means how much? See here. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, lakh, 10 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 digit. 4 into 10 lakh. How much you'll get? 4. 1 plus 4, 0. So 4 is in 10 lakh place means 40 lakh. Like that you should expand and you should write. Okay children. So place value of 0 is always 0 irrespective of the place. Exercise 4. Now we'll go for exercise 4. Exercise 4, first one. Write the numbers in words, make the periods using commas first. First you should put commas. The question is like this. Here no place is question, they are given all. So no place, you can copy it in rough notebook. So for when I give any homework, you can understand and you should write. So here no place children, no dashes, anything. So write in rough notebook, exercise 4 in rough notebook. I'll teach, that's all. Where you should put, because I have given like this all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit. See, ones, tens, hundreds after comma. These are all ones period. 1,000, 10,000, comma. 1,000, 10,000, 1,000 it is together. So here 1 comma, 100 after comma, 10,000 after comma. This is lakh, 10 lakh. So if you join together, this is lakh, 10 lakh. So 10 place what it is? 4, 42. So answer is 42 lakhs. This is 42 lakhs. L it is there, no? Lakh spelling L-A-K-H-S, lakhs. You should understand. So I picked and wrote 42 lakhs, 85. Here, 42 lakh, 85,000. 85,000. 600 and 10. So you should expand it. First you should read this period wise, put commas first. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, so if you put commas only, you can write, see, 42. This is lakhs period. 42 lakhs, 85,610. So other all the rough book, just practice. If you by reading put commas, by reading that, if only one number means 2 lakh. If two number means 42, 40, 23, one example I'll show. 2, 3, 4, 1, 7, 5. See, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. Comma, this is lakh. So lakh in only one number, 2 lakh 34,175. Here I have written 42 lakhs. There only one number, 2 lakhs. Okay, so write all this. Write the numbers in figures. Numbers in figures. I won't write the question. 2 lakh. It is 2 lakh. First one, 2 lakh 46,000. 40,000 afterwards, comma, 46,506. So your answer is like this. 2 lakh 46,000. 46 lakh afterwards, comma, I told no. 2 lakh 46,506. Got it? Like that only. Next is 52 lakh, 52, comma, 52 lakh 6,000. 6,000, how will you write? Here 52 lakh 6,000. 6,000 place only 6,000. This is 10,000. So here 6,000, comma, 201. See, 6,000. Question is 52 lakh 6,000. Thousands place 6 it is there. 10,000 place 0 we should write. If you are not writing 0, your marks won't get here. 52 lakh 6,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000. So in thousands place only 6 you should write, because 52 lakh 6,000. 6,000. So in 10,000 place I have written 0. 52 lakh 6,201. Next is 72 lakh, comma, 23,000, comma, 421. Next is 4 lakh, only one number, 4, comma, 23,000, 23, comma, 711. Next is 63 lakh 6,000. 6,000 as I told 06. 63 comma 06 comma 205. 70,000. 70,000 comma and 7. Hundreds place and all and 7. Next is 99 lakh. 99 lakh and thousands place nothing, it is there, and 99. 100 place also nothing. So by reading the question, how we should write the numbers? So 99 lakh and 99. So lakh after 1000 is there. So two numbers, thousands place I put 0, 100 place also 0, and 99. Understood? No? Write like this. Everything up to last you should complete it. Next main, third main. Third main, write all the numbers that come between the given numbers. So between, you should check 42 lakh 16,310. Next is last, see they are given 16. So 42 lakh 16,000, same. 310 means 311. Like that. Just you should, by seeing that last number, how you should write? You should add and go 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, children? So here I'll end my class. See, I'll read this. Expanded form and standard form. Writing a number as the sum of the place values of its digits called the expanded form of the number. If the writing number, if then expanded form, if I give 42 lakh 63,000 means 40 lakh 43, 3 lakh 84,000 means 80,000, 4,000. You will expand 0 numbers, no? Like that. So next is standard form. The standard form or the short form of the number is given by writing each digit in the correct place. See, expand means if I give like this number means you should expand 40 lakhs. Like this. Plus, this is only expanded form. Standard form means how, if I give like this, by saying this, you should write direct answer, that is standard form. So next class I'll do comparing numbers. So you understood, this is expanded form. This answer it will come, no, this is standard form. This is expanded, you should expand and go. This is standard form, this is expanded, expand and go. 40 lakh, 3 lakh, next to 10,000, 6,000. Plus 300, plus 10, plus 1, you should expand and go. If I give in expanded form, you should write the answer in standard form. Understand, children? So here I'll end my class. Okay, you all complete, practice in your rough book. If you have any doubts in this, bring your textbook and your rough notebook. When we call for correction, no, we'll give classwork in PDF. So when PDF comes, we'll inform you, children. So you can download it. Last year, how we are doing, you can download and write in the classwork. Blue gel pen. So now we are written in pencil. If you want to write these numbers and practice in rough book means, write in pen, practice in pen, write all this. If you have doubt, put small tick in the textbook, put wrong. If you are not understood, I'll teach you in the, when you come for correction. Okay, children? Be safe at home. Don't come out and play because third wave they are saying for children. So be safe at home. Obey your parents' words. Okay? And be at home. Here I'll end my class. Thank you, children.